No. Since Christy couldn't be here, we're going to film it so she can watch you. Alright, now come here. I hope this is in front of the camera. Okay. What's that say? H. U. R. And what's that say? Yeah. Happy Halloween! Love, Christy. Okay. Open it. Whoa. Come here. We gotta let Christy see. Missy can't get it open. Oh, uh-oh. Go put that on my desk. Alright, I got it. There you go. Look in there. What are those? Monsters? No, what are those? Are those pumpkins? Oh, those are, okay, they're monsters. Is that a cup? Wow! Good stuff. What is it? An eye? A broken eye. Look, and some stickers. Yeah, Katie, you don't need. Put it back. And a stamp. Can I have the pumpkins? Put them back in there. What do you say to Christy? Thank you. That is a broken eye. That was nice of Christy to get you something for Halloween. Uh-oh, look. A spider ring. Look at the camera right there. Right here. In front of me. Right there, baby. And say thank you. Christy. That you like your broken eye. See you later.
He's crying.
He's crying?
He's